Hey everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove this error when you want to find your product key on your PC. In this case here, I'm trying to locate the product key on this particular mini PC, the E1 Mini with this Intel processor. So far each mini PC that I have purchased, I always had to do this to grab the product ID because this command always failed. So I'm going to show you how to correct that. Well, let's get rid of this. So here we see that it failed. Make sure you run this in as administrator, your command line or the DOS window. You have to run as administrator. So we're going to shrink this down here. We're going to go here. We're going to type in system, or in this case here, select system already. All right, and we're going to click on the system again, and then we're going to go down to optional features. Click it, and then here, where it says add optional features, we're going to sit there and select that, and then we're going to type in WMIC, and it's found. We're going to check, all right, and we're going to hit the magic next, and we're going to hit add, and be forewarned, this will take some time. Whether how fast your PC is or not, this will take at least 5 minutes. You might be able to see down here saying 7:06 a.m. So we're just going to let this run, and then I'll come back in when it's done. You see we're still going. It's been at least 2 minutes. All right, so let me go back and pause this video again. See here, we're almost done. You can see it's about 7 minutes since we started installing this feature. Let me pause the video again. Okay, here you can see that we are done adding it. So that took 7 minutes to do. So now we're going to go ahead and shrink this down, open up our DOS, but before we do that, let me close this. So you're going to type in CMD, and you're going to run it as administrator. Hit the magic yes, and then we're going to put in this command. Now, I'll put the command down in the link below, in the description below. Also, I'll put in my website where I keep track of a lot of stuff I do on my home lab, so that'll be down there in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and hit enter, and there we have my product key. So that's it. That's how you do it. If you get that error message that we saw before, you just have to add that feature into your Windows OS, and then you'll be able to pull out your product key again. So with that, have yourself a happy and wonderful day. Until the next video.